Hi everyone, this is my electric bicycle. So I took a normal bicycle and I replaced the rear wheel with the motor inside. And also I installed this battery over here, and there is a controller which controls the power which coming from the battery to the motor. And this power is controlled with the throttle, which is just over here. Also, this bicycle has a horn which is really annoying. I use the smaller wheel in order to increase the torque of the motor, and with this smaller wheel I need to push this bracket down, so that's why I installed the insert here to keep the seat on the same level as it was before. Also, there is this bracket and the same bracket from the other side in order to provide extra force to keep the axis of the motor. So now let's see how it works.